Hi everyone, welcome back to CG Health and Meditation. We have some more new health remedies. Let's start. Corns. Corns are hard, thick areas of skin that occur usually on feet. They are very hard, they are small, and they pinch, and they are very painful. So what we can do is cut a fresh slice of lemon and place it on the painful area of that corn. Wrap it around with any bandage that you have or any cloth for the entire night. Wash it off in the morning and repeat this process every day until that your corns heals. Cirrhosis of liver. Cirrhosis is a late stage of scarring or fibrosis of liver, which are caused by many forms of liver diseases and conditions such as hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. Each time your liver is injured, whether by disease, excessive alcohol consumption, or another case, it tries to repair itself. So the first solution is grind black papaya seeds and strain its juice. Then take 1 teaspoon of this juice and add 10 drops of fresh lemon juice to it. Drink this mixture twice or one time a day. Secondly, take 200 ml of spinach juice. Ml is like milliliter. So take 200 ml of spinach juice and mix it with 300 ml of carrot juice. Mix these juices. Drink this mixture every day. It will heal your liver problem soon enough. Cough. Cough is very common and it happens to everybody. Sometimes people complain that they have cough for 1 month. It's probably because they are not taking precautions or measures that can avoid to harm your glands and your throat. So let's start with the remedy. Take 10 grams of dried ginger, long pepper. Long pepper is a little bit thin and long. So if you don't find long pepper, okay, you can go with the round pepper, the normal pepper as well. But if you find long pepper, that will be good. So take 10 grams of dried ginger, long pepper, holy basil leaves, and 4 to 6 cardamoms. Then grind these all together and make a fine powder. Then take half teaspoon of this powder and half teaspoon of honey. They both should be equal. Mix them and then take this 1 teaspoon 3 or 4 times a day. Gradually your cough will go away and your throat and your glands will be really good. Cracks on heels. Cracks or heels, they occur usually after 35 or 40 of age. If we do not take care of ourselves, definitely something will go wrong. So heels are very sensitive, although we don't think of that sensitive. How they occur is that your body has a lot of weight. Constantly standing or housewife doing work constantly by standing in the kitchen or dusting or working. There's a lot of pressure that goes on your heels, heel pads. So what they do is they expand and they crack if you do not take care of them. So let's start with the remedy, how we can take care of our cracked heels. Okay, take 3 teaspoons of beeswax and mix 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in it. Then warm this mixture a little bit and apply this paste on the affected area. Wrap around with a cloth or bandage, anything you have, and leave it for your entire night. You can leave it open as well, so that it absorbs everything. Then wash it in the morning and put Vaseline petroleum jelly for all day. If you can put petroleum jelly, that will be good. If you don't have it, then put any moisturizer or any cream. Regularly taking care of your feet will really help heal those cracks. Put some moisture in it, moisturizer in it, anything. Secondly, if you don't have time to make this mixture, something really simple you can do is, like I said, Use Vaseline petroleum jelly for an entire day. Keep socks on or don't keep socks on, it will absorb. Or you can warm some sesame oil or ghee is oil, and put it in the affected area several times a day because this will absorb everything. We hope our natural remedies can help you get better. So that's all for today. We will be back with new health remedies. Subscribe our channel, like and share the video. Comment below if you have any more suggestions. Thank you very much.